Now Evangelist Mercy Nungari nĩacakaĩte gĩkuũ kĩa Joseph Mũrĩithi, mwanake ũrĩa erĩga gũtangatha as a missing person about 2 weeks ago, no rĩu nĩacokete kuonekana Sagana River, nĩararutirwo Sagana River e mũkuũ. The family of Joseph Mũrĩithi, his name is Joseph Mũrĩithi Mathenge, had reached out to Mercy Nungari to help them find their son and also share the news that he is missing na nĩarethwo, but unfortunately he was found dead in Sagana River, and Mercy Nungari has taken to her Facebook page to share the news of his death, saying, "I had posted this young man, Joseph Mũrĩithi Mathenge, like 2 weeks back after he went missing. Unfortunately, he has been found dead in Sagana River. Joseph was a beautician in bus station and was living in Ruaka. So painful to say rest in peace at 29 years of age." Nĩ ũhoro wa kĩeha. It's a painful death after going missing for 2 weeks. Thutha wa family yake kũgirĩka for 2 weeks, he has now been found dead in Sagana River. May he rest in eternal peace. In our condolences to the family of Joseph Mũrĩithi o hamwe na Mercy Nungari. Don't forget to subscribe for this and much more trending stories.